Alright guys, so in this demo, I want to test drive the new Conversion Gorilla software and see if it's really as cool as everyone says it is. Specifically, I want to see exactly how quick and easy it is to get one of these Conversion Gorilla bars fully created for someone with no technical experience. I'm going to go ahead and start my stopwatch here, and let's get started. I'll start here at the Create New Bars page. Now for this example, I'm going to say I'm targeting the readers of my golfing blog, and I want to show them a time-sensitive coupon for a golf-related affiliate offer I'm promoting. So I'll choose the Drive Traffic and Visitors option here, and I'll select the Hero Bar option so I can really maximize the attention-grabbing power. Here on the Appearance tab, I'll leave the bar name as My Bar, and I'm going to stick with bright orange for the bar color just because I think it really stands out. I'll leave my headline and subheadline text set to white. I'll go ahead and make my headline text bold, and I'll leave my subheadline style as is. For the headline, I'll say, Limited, get 50% off this awesome golf guide. For the subheadline, I'll type the actual coupon code, and then I'll hit Next. On the settings page, I'd like my bar to appear at the bottom. I'll leave Exit Intent turned to On in case people try to leave before the main trigger event. And speaking of the main trigger, we'll choose that right here. I'm going to go with Scroll, and I'll set this to 75%. So my readers will see the bar after they've read through about 3/4 of the blog post. I'll hit Next, and that'll bring us to the Countdown tab. I do want to leverage scarcity, so I'll choose Date and Time here. I'll leave the colors as they are for this demo, and I'll go ahead and select a date here and hit Next. On the Button tab, I like the square look, and I'm happy with the colors as they are, so I'll just set the text to Grab this deal now. And I'll paste my affiliate link for this offer right here. As you can see, we've got a live demo showing our gorgeous attention-grabbing Conversion Gorilla bar right here. I'm happy with that, so I'll click Save and Exit, and I'll stop the clock. And look how quick that was. Unbelievable. Now, once this bar is installed on my website, I can always come right back here to the dashboard and hit Edit, and any changes I make will automatically be made in real time to the bar on my website. Now, let's say I don't want to drive traffic to an offer. Let's say I've already got visitors on my own sales page, and I just want to boost conversions. Let's come over here to Create New, and this time, let's choose the Simple Message Bar option. Here on the Appearance tab, I'll name this My Message Bar. I'll change my color to blue, and I'll leave my text set to white. And let's add a short coupon and CTA here to boost conversions. I'll click Next, and I'll choose Top Position this time. I'll leave it set to Scroll, and Exit Intent will stay on. My main trigger will be a delay of 180 seconds. Basically, I want to use this bar as a little nudge for anyone who's been on my sales page for over 3 minutes, is clearly interested, but might still be on the fence. Scarcity is always great, but for this example I'll leave Countdown set to None. I'll hit Save and Exit, and boom, we've got a conversion boosting message bar ready to stick on my sales page. Now let's take a minute and think about what we just did. That's 2 different types of powerful attention-grabbing bars we can use to drive traffic, boost conversions, and increase profits. And we created both of them super easily in just a couple minutes right here with Conversion Gorilla. Now that is cool. Hey, how would you like to take back control of your website visitors, drive more traffic, and boost sales, conversions, and engagement all in just a few clicks? You see, the #1 problem with online business today is that 99% of website visitors will show up to your site, look around, and then leave without taking any action. Keeping them on your site and showing them relevant content is getting more and more difficult, and it's almost impossible to funnel your visitors to off-site affiliate offers, or even to your own checkout pages. In short, these problems are plaguing every online business today, and if you don't find a way to fix them, they're going to take a huge toll on your engagement, your traffic control, and ultimately, on your profits. But what if there was a tool that allowed you to take back that control, drive more traffic, and boost engagement and profit all on complete autopilot? Well, now there is. It's called Conversion Gorilla, and it's revolutionizing the way people are leveraging traffic in their businesses. Conversion Gorilla allows you to effortlessly grab the attention of your visitors with amazing, eye-popping message and traffic bars that you can customize and deploy in just a few clicks. Use traffic bars to drive blog readers to your best content or related posts. Or better yet, use them to drive prospects to your checkout pages or funnel traffic to an affiliate offer. You can use message bars to boost conversions further by offering coupons or discount codes, or even just display welcome or thank you messages. And if you really want to kick your conversion rates into high gear, Conversion Gorilla even lets you leverage the awesome power of scarcity by adding evergreen or fixed date countdown timers. You can even strategically control exactly how and when they get triggered for maximum effect. Want to direct your readers to a related blog post right after they've scrolled to the bottom of another post? Easy. Want to skyrocket conversions by showing a call to action or coupon code after someone's been on your sales page for 60 seconds? No problem. Or do you want to boost sales on your Shopify or other e-commerce store by having a limited time discount with a countdown timer show up as soon as prospects hit a specific product page? You can even have your bars triggered based on what URL or page your visitors just came from before arriving on a page. And get this, Conversion Gorilla comes with exit intent technology, meaning you can have your bars appear at the very moment when visitors are about to leave your site. So you can save the sale with a coupon, direct them to a lead page with a free gift, or link to a survey page so you can get feedback on why they're leaving. Seriously, there's simply no end to the conversion boosting and engagement enhancing potential of Conversion Gorilla. But believe it or not, we're still not finished yet. Creating bars is super easy for anyone, even if you have no creative or technical experience. Everything is completely customizable, so you can create endless variations of stunning, attention-grabbing bars. You've got complete control over the color, font, size of the bars, and many other visual aspects. And it's not just the look of the bars. You can even customize how they appear. Would you like your bar at the top or the bottom of the page? Do you want it to push your web page content down and then remain fixed at the top of the page? Or would you prefer it to hover over the top of your website content and float in place as you scroll down the page? It's totally up to you. Once you've got your bars installed on your page, which only takes a few seconds, you can then edit them in real time right from your Conversion Gorilla dashboard. And speaking of your dashboard, you can exercise complete control of all your bars, monitor stats, compare performance, clone existing bars, and much more, all from one central location. Since Conversion Gorilla is 100% cloud-based, there's nothing for you to download or install, and your Conversion Gorilla bars work with any kind of site. Look, you know you need to take control of your traffic, boost engagement, and absolutely maximize your conversions if you want your business to succeed. Conversion Gorilla can help you do exactly that like nothing else out there today. And you can start taking advantage of this amazing new software starting right now. So, if you're ready to start skyrocketing your conversion rates, boosting engagement, and maximizing your profits, click the button below and we'll see you on the inside.